Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring Visual Studio 2022 is up to date. Updates fix theme bugs and compatibility. Once done, open Extensions, manage extensions, and search for a theme or the color theme editor. Install and allow the IDE to restart. You do this because built-in themes are limited. Extensions provide extra palettes and export tools. Make sure the installer completed and Visual Studio restarted before proceeding, since extension changes only take effect after a clean restart. You now pick or import the theme. Start at Tools, Options, Environment General to switch to dark, light, or blue for immediate change. This is quick for base preferences. For extension themes, open Extensions installed, enable the new theme, and then choose it in the environment settings. If you have a theme file, use Tools, Import, and Export settings to load colors and fonts. This preserves editor, tooltip, and window colors consistently. Once set, review code editor contrast and font legibility. You finish by restarting Visual Studio to ensure every UI element refreshes. Some controls only update on restart. Then use Settings Sync to propagate the theme to other machines, or export your settings file as a backup. If colors look off or elements overlap, disable recently added extensions and retry. If that fails, use Tools, Import, and Export settings to reset all settings or re-import a known good. VS Settings file. This reset typically resolves conflicts caused by older theme.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.